Makadaman ako ngayon sa inyong paningin, di nyo alam, tinitigasan pa rin. And I, thank you! Good evening everyone, my name is Leonard Brian. Pag nyaon si Papa, pag mayo, Leonard Brian. Good evening everyone. My name is Malinao Libmanan. By ngayong gabi, Siena Lubot. I'm 24 years old. Nag-iwan na po ako ng kasibihan. Pag ang ina ay warangis, tsa! Bagong porpis. Thanks! Zone 2!
Hello! Oh. Ako nga pala si Romel Cielos, ang represent ng Zone 4! Woo!
Good evening everyone, my name is Leonard Brian. Pag nyaon si Papa, pag mayo, Leonard Brian. Good evening ladies and gentlemen. I am John Lawrence Abadayos Vanilla, 17, representing Bali. At bago ako umalis sa inyong harapan, nais kong mag-iwan na isang kasabihan. Makadaman ako ngayon sa inyong paningin, di nyo alam, tinitigasan pa rin. And I, thank you!
garbage bag. The recycled dress crafted from umbrella materials showcases reflecting both creativity and sustainability. This dress often utilizes items like graded paper plate to create stylish and unique clothing. The process involves careful selection, cleaning, and transformation of waste into wearable art, often reach all the Philippines. They serve as a statement of environmental consciousness while celebrating the artistry and ingenuity of Filipino designers. Let's give it up to Mr.
Wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. The way it falls on the side of your neck, down your shoulders and back. We are surrounded by all of these lights and people. The voices around us here, we just fade out and you take a breath. Just say a word and I will disappear into the wilderness. Sure, you got the kind of look in your eyes as if no one knows anything but us. Sure, you can speed of us thing. Silhouette over me is the all of the voices around me. You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. I want you to know it's enough for me. So that you are is all that I will ever need.
Our Barakong Magayon 2024